Just got a nice 20-point bounce right off of yesterday's point of control, which happened to be right at whole number pretty much there. We also had a high volume level right under it at 97. Just bounced up 28 points. I'm still trading the micros for some reason. Did some trading in the London session on the Apex accounts. Look at that high volume level. Just hold up to the tick right there. 50 down to 33. Just got 20-point drop right off of that high volume level from the key levels indicator. These are the 1 minute high volume levels, this gold line and this chocolate line. These are lines I used to plot manually for many years. It's really nice to have them plotted for me every day automatically. I don't have to go back and spend an extra 10 minutes of my time doing that pre-market. We had this pivot point, we had the 15-minute center and the 20 SMA just kind of holding up there. Nice retracement down to yesterday's point of control in this high volume area. We bounced up a little again right away. Got a little poke and a retrace there. Had some divergence coming in on this candle, neutral candle. Popped up almost 15 points from the close of this candle. I really wish all my accounts were on the one platform. I don't like having the second platform over here on the left to have my Volucandlez open. Might just trade the Volucandlez account after hours or something like that. I might get some more accounts from different prop firms that I can put into NinjaTrader 8 that also use Trade of 8. Just made it up to VWAP. Almost made it to this high volume level again. Just dropped down 15 points. I've been liking the high volume lines on the MNQ today, whereas the high volume lines for the NQ are way up here in this cluster of key levels. The volume is very different between the MNQ and the NQ. Yet on the 5-minute regular NQ chart, I've got a volume level kind of near there, a little bit above VWAP, and one down at 20,073, a little bit lower than this one, about right there. So what I could do is I could have a second data series. I could have NQ on my main chart, and then I could have a secondary MNQ data series and have a separate instance of the MMT key levels, and then change the input series of the key levels to the MNQ, and then it would display the MNQ high volume, low volume areas on my chart as well. That would obviously not work with the ES or a different instrument, but since it's the same price, it's just going to be printing horizontal lines. And then for that separate instance of the key levels that was using the MNQ as a data series, I would deactivate London Open, yesterday's New York Open, yesterday's close, yesterday's high, etc. Just so that it was only showing the high and low volume areas from the MNQ. Had this previous session point of control line on my chart. Was looking at that as potential resistance. Had a nice big wicking candle with some divergence there. I'm getting a little push back to VWAP. Had some nice delta on this candle that broke above VWAP. We got a push up over 15 points there from the close of this candle. Up like $300 across all the accounts. Got $35 on the Volucandlez. I gotta figure out what I'm doing. I think I'm losing a lot of money just trading the micros. But I feel more comfortable trading the micros when I'm trading on two different platforms, trying to manage all these different accounts. I really wish I could just have everything right on NinjaTrader 8. I was in my zone when I just had the Apex accounts, but hearing all those horror stories is making me nervous. Even though I've personally never had any issues, it just puts a little damper on my excitement. It almost feels like I'm trying to trade multiple instruments again, like when I was trading the ES and the NQ and gold and YM, a bunch of other things. But I really found that my success came a lot quicker when I just focused on one instrument. I got my ADX dots over on my regular NQ chart. Been missing these this morning. Got all these dots to the upside, keeping me more interested in longs. We were never able to close above this previous point of control session here that I have up on the 5-minute. Today we have the center of the 15-minute opening range right at the pivot point. We just came right down to that area, had a nice bounce up, had some divergence coming in, hit this double key level, nice bounce up. I'm gonna call it a day there. It's after 10:30. Hope you got some good ideas from watching how I'm navigating the live markets. The MMT key levels indicator is available. The links are in the description. You can get the center of the 15-minute opening range, yesterday's point of control, these nifty high volume levels and low volume levels plotted automatically on your chart, previous session point of controls. You've just witnessed how these levels come into play during the day-to-day trading. While I was editing this morning's video, just wanted to show you the market close here. You can see the holdup we got at yesterday's open, and then the holdup we got at this previous day point of control, this white dashed line, as well as the S1 and the 20 SMA on the 5-minute. Had a nice little green run until some divergence came in, got some neutral candles. We dropped back down to the 20 SMA. It's also where these two low volume lines from the MMT key levels are located. We started wicking off of these low volume lines. We had a bunch of delta coming in right here on this candle. Got another nice little push up. There's also links in the description to the prop firms that I'm trading with. And anytime you use those links or coupon codes, you're helping to support the work that I do on this channel, and I greatly appreciate it. Best of luck in your trading. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.